Moksha, okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while looking at this beautiful background, right? Of course, because बहुत time से मैंने setting video बनाई नहीं है, and obviously you guys are so super smart and you know right क्या होने वाला है. Guys, this is a series of becoming a pilot with Moksha. Yay! So we have talked about everything on this series. Like not everything, we are gonna start again a new series of everything new. It's all about flying now. What we used to talk was about ground stuff, right? Now we are gonna talk about flying and medical chota mota. We're gonna continue that series, but this series will be completely different because I am back. I am back as a commercial pilot from USA, and I am doing my conversion these days, and a lot of things are going on. So first of all of you know about my class 1 and class 2, right? If you have not seen it, just go and watch it, guys. Like, it was the best videos. It was my first few videos, and I might look very funny there, zero confidence and everything, but you guys should go and watch it, guys. It's a must watch. I'll just pin the video here or here. And we have discussed about EGC as well. We have discussed about class 1 renewal. Now there's one more thing, which is class 1 re-initial. Do you even know what is it, why is it done, and what's the process? So we're going to discuss everything today on how to do a class 1 re-initial, and to be precise, I just did it. That's why I have a little bit of more idea about how they all do it. So let's get into the video. So first of all, what is class 1 re-initial? So class 1 re-initial is that you do all your medical again, just like initial, but it's a little bit different. Not at all, it's not at all different. It's just that they have named usko as class 1 re-initial, which means that you get one year your class 1 is valid, right, for 1 year. After that also you get 1 year of grace period where you can put NOC and get your class 1 renewal done again. But what if you are done with that year as well, like my class 1 was valid till 13th of October 2022, and then I went for flying in July 22. So oh no, I'm missing out. Yeah, sorry, my class 1 was valid till 2023. Okay, and it was valid till I did it in 2022. It was valid to 2023 13th of October. I got 1 extra year for grace because in 2023 July I went to US. I moved from India and went for my flying training in USA. After that I came back in October 2024. On October 13, 2024, my this thing was expiring. And I knew that I have to do re-initial now, so I applied for NOC and stuff and all, and my NOC got approved. And how to apply for an NOC, I'll put a screen recording right here so that you guys, I think I'll put it right here in a big screen so that you guys will know how to apply for an NOC. And guys, if tum sabka bhi re-initial aa raha ho, just apply for an NOC before, because they are not getting it approved. Okay, so I got my NOC approved. When you apply for an NOC, they ask everything, like where you want to do medicals and all, and guys, they just ask the only place available is Jorhat. So I went all the way from west to east to have my medicals done. And guys, I'm not kidding, the tickets were so expensive. I'm like, brother, my whole medical was not that much, how much the ticket and stay costed me. So just plan accordingly. Okay, if you're getting your re-initial done. And I have some of the clips, I'm gonna put it here, right here.
Guys, today we are here at Apollo to have my class 1 re-initial done. I got my x-ray done, and now I have to get my EEG, ultrasound, dilated fundus test, audiometry, and ECG done. So let's go. ECG होगी तब ultrasound के लिए जाने वाली हूँ. Guys, ultrasound is also done. Reports are very normal. Yes, I'm here for my eye checkup now. Dilated fundus test, and let's see how it goes. Fundus test भी normal है, सब normal है.
Class 1 re-initial at Jorhat was the smoothest thing in my life. the people are so sweet there. First of all, they know how to talk. The army people are so good there, and I really enjoyed staying there, and I explored that city as well. But my Kaziranga is still left, and I'll surely go. So what is in class 1 reinitial? So they do, all you have to do is that if you, because that can only be done at Air Force, is either it's Delhi, AFCME, Hindon, Delhi, Bangalore, and Jorhat. So of course I got Jorhat. I went there, and you have to pay 3,000 rupees. Like they directs, like when you're applying for it, before date selection only Bharat Kosh ka, they take you to that server, and you know all the things happen, and you get the payment done, and then you can select your dates. Once the date selection and everything is done, you can, you know, plan your tickets and everything. So before going there, you have to do all your tests. They are not gonna do any of it. Like they do tests, but they check the reports and then do your tests. So first of all, what all things you have to get it done. So I have a screenshot. I have the screenshot. I'll put it right here. You guys all can see it, and you know, if you guys are also going, you know what you're doing. And for class 1 also, these are the same things which you have to do. There's nothing different. Okay, just you don't have to apply for NOC. Now you don't have to mail dgca.com and all to get your date. Now you have to directly get dates from EGCA. EGCA is the one who gives you dates now. Okay, it's all online now. So after all this, because I am like, bro, what has happened to EGCA? It used to be very good before, like, you know, some mail pe ho jata tha. But now it's all on you, how you plan your things up. So you do all the tests here at a NABL or NABH approved hospitals, which in my state, which in my which is my city, Ahmedabad, is if you guys are from Ahmedabad, you can get it done from Zydus, Apollo, KD is also NABH or NABL approved, and I think there's three, four more. If I get a screenshot, I'll just put it right here so Ahmedabad people can go and watch it. You can go and ask for the rates, and guys, go where the rates are very less, okay, because it's gonna cost you more. Like Apollo is India-wide NABH and NABL approved, so, or NABL approved, I don't remember. And after all these things, after all the tests and everything, I got my things completed, and I was so happy that yeah, finally it's done. Then I went there. So guys, don't forget to take your photos. I forgot, and I have to click there. I told my sister that I told my father that I have photos, but they are purana, so they are not taking me. But Papa, I didn't take it. So guys, don't forget to take your photos. And after that, you know, first day though, they give you one parcha. Like they give you 3 or 4 sheets of paper, which you have, where you have to write all your you know, information. And then what they do is they tell you, because if you guys have went to AFCME na, wahan pe there's a sir who will be behind you. Okay, he'll tell you go there, and there's only one building. But this Jorhat is very big, very big, and the photographies and everything is not allowed there. So I don't think so. I was able to shoot anything there. But the thing is that yeah. So just imagine there's one building here, okay, and that is just the MEC building where you take your papers, and then that guy will tell you, अब ये पर्चा लो और हर जगह जाओ, signatures लेके 2 बजने से पहले वापस आ जाना. Guys, this is how it is done. I'm not kidding. This is how it is done. So you take that parcha and you slowly start walking, and you cross the road and you reach here. पहले वहाँ जाके there's a plus sign where they'll take your pulse and everything, and then they'll tell you, no, not BP, they'll check your BP, and then they'll tell you go. Now it's you. If you are smart, like I am not, if you are smart, you should know to prioritize things. मेरा मेडिकल एक ही दिन में हो जाता अगर मैंने थोड़ी डम हरकतें ना करी होती. So guys, after you go, there's an ENT which will just do nothing, just check your ears and everything. There's surgeon who will, for girls especially, they'll tell, मैडम टॉप ऊपर कर दीजिए, बटन्स खोल दीजिए, थोड़ा सा बटन खोल दीजिए. This is not how they'll speak. They'll speak very nicely. So they'll tell, just pull this top little bit up. I want to check your breast, and just put this little bit down. I want to check your abdomen. And this is it for girls. I don't know about boys. Then after this, they'll tell you that they're gonna not tell you anything. You have to plan accordingly. So for girls, what you have to for everyone, we have ENT, which is ears, nose, tongue, and then we have eyes. We have surgeon, we have physical, and for girls we also have gynec. Also, we have gynec as well. So what I did is I did my surgeon. I went to ENT. He told me 12:30 बजे आना मैडम, अभी नहीं होगा. I was like, okay, I'll go to gynec. So I went to gynec, and वहाँ मैं, of course, guys, we have to wait. It's not like they don't give us priority. Like they'll tell you, मैडम इतने बजे आना, आपका हो जाएगा. So I went there, and तब मेरा नंबर ही नहीं आ रहा था, तो I went to eat something, and then the doctor was going, the physical doctor, and if he doesn't sign a document, I am finished. I have to stay there. So I was like, I'll go there, and that doctor, like लड़कों का तो I don't know, but लड़कियों में they just tell you खू करो. Like they tell you to cough, and then they'll tell you कि यहाँ पे वो they'll put something, like they put the stethoscope here. Don't know what they check, and the back also, and BP and pulse. That's it. And they'll tell you आंखें बंद करके हाथ आगे करो, हाथ ऊंचे करो, हाथ ये करो वो करो, and then that's it. This is what in physical. And guys, please overweight मत रहना. मैं हूँ overweight and I have to lose weight now. So after all this, then there's another thing called. After this is done, I went to, what I did is कि वहाँ से I got my ENT done, and मैं जब आइस के लिए जा रही थी, मैंने बोला कि नहीं मेरा गायनेक चला जाएगा, तो मैंने फिजिकल छोड़ दिया और मैं गायनेक के पास आई. So for girls, guys, what they make you do is that they'll tell you, open your pants, put it till your knees, widen your legs, and she will not touch you anywhere. She will put a cloth on your lower body and just check. She won't touch you or do anything, and she'll check our breasts as well, and that's it. Once she gives us the fitness certificate and everyone, then I went and I did my ENT. And for eyes, I had to come next day because doctor was already gone. So guys, please plan accordingly and get your things done in one go only. And you have to have all your results for ENT, eye, and everything. They check that, and then only they put everything. Then like for eyes, they dilute your eyes there as well. So guys, overall my experience was way too good. I enjoyed and I loved your heart. And I'll see you in the next video. But wait, where I was going? So I have already started one series on my Instagram. घर की सबसे बड़ी बेटी becoming a commercial pilot. Guys, go and show some love there, please. Go and show some love there, and just share as much as you can. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because guys, I really need subscribers. I really want what all things I have gone through. My subscribers doesn't go through that. I want you guys to be smooth. I want your journey to be gentle. I want your journey to be smooth. And guys, if you guys are up, I can do a story time on things that happened with me in USA as a pilot. I did a lot of bad stuff which I think I should discuss on camera. If you guys are up for it, just tell me on comments, guys, please. And if you are here, if you're watching this right now, till now, I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you soon for the next video. Bye bye, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe, please. I need subscribers. Bye bye, guys.